Hi, I'm Alexander and I'm from Remy of Paris. Today I'm going to talk to you about this great human hairstyle. This is Oakley. I love this. I've just got Oakley out the box right now and she's looking amazing. And you know, for human hair is bio hair, right? So we can make it curly, we can make it straight, we can make it wavy, but this is how you'd expect Oakley out the box. So you can see this lovely face framing layers. You can see we've got those layers running throughout, these nice soft feathery ends. So really you could make Oakley as versatile as you are. You could have a wavy, curly, straight, but I even like this fullness out the box. You know, just uncontrived, looking really nice. She's beautiful and she's in the Amore Collection. So let's take a little look at the back and the sides and show you those layers. So showing you a nice continuation of the style of Oakley's. If you can see, look, I'm picking those layers up there. This is a side layer. So you can see that finishes just around about there. So it gives you an indication on to how much fullness you could give it with Velcro rollers or even just playing with it with your hands and teasing it. The base length is roughly around about the center of the back, if you like, but with those lovely, nice free layers. And this just looks sensational straight, sensational curly. Love the versatility of this style. And just look at that, just in its natural texture, just looks fantastic. Really, really good. Absolutely love this from Amore Collection. This is Oakley. This is great. This is the cap of Oakley from the Amore Collection. Oakley is 100% hand tied. This is a beautiful lightweight cap with a lace front. As you can see, we have PU straps at the front of the wig, in the back and the sides, which can be taped down for extra security or just give some added grip. We have adjustable straps at the side of the wig, and these are concealed within the hairline of the wig towards the nape area. This is a beautiful cap, expertly made, extremely lightweight. This is the cap of Oakley in the Amore Collection.